Hello, Fleur Allen here. I'm a business success coach. My business is called Ask Fleur, and you can find me on askfleur.com. This is the step 10, the last step for 10 steps to doubling your revenue. It's my resource called Next Level Success. You can grab it for free on my website, and it is implementing or using a tool called McKenzie's 3 Horizons. I'm just looking at my notes, but I won't look at my notes. Put my notes up on my screen so you can. This is a framework. It has limitations to it, but I find it a good visual way that you can map out how you're implementing change in your business. So what I mean by that, if you look at the screen, Horizon 1 is like the here and now, maintaining or maintenance of the core business, what you do now, what's working now, and the immediate actions for direct immediate results. Then you've got Horizon 2, which is like the medium term. So depending on the business, for my business, that would be within the next year. So medium term initiatives that solidify your position. So I'm at the moment seeking public speaking opportunities for all of 2025. I'd like one a month. I have one already in February, which I'm really looking forward to. So I've just got 11 to go. But given it's November 2024, I feel that's an achievable goal for the medium term. So that's looking to get my name out there, my profile out there to attract new clients. And Horizon 3 is create genuinely new business. So this is like the brand new ideas or the new products or services that you might be working on to implement in the future in the next 2 to 3 years. So it's more of a long-term project. So for myself, I'm trying to give an example of a long-term project. I'll think of it while I explain a medium term. So for the short term, because this business is new, for the short term, as a new business entity, I've been in business before, but this business is pretty new in my first 6 months of filming this in 2024. And so I was focusing on one-to-one coaching and group coaching. And next year, I'd like to work on more midterm projects, which is implementing some training programs, partnering with organisations such as local government. And for the long term, I'd like a balance of working on those contracts with organisations like local government and developing my one-to-one and group coaching clients, but with the one-to-one clients, see if I can develop some strategic long-term partnerships with some of those clients as well. So think of it in your business, what right now that's got the doors open and is working, and that's great, and keep that going. What's working, keep going. But also, this is November 2024. It's a good time to review things. Things may be ticking along, like, for instance, I'm thinking my one-to-one coaching that I have 3 cohorts at 3 different times of the year that I start a particular 3-month program that I like to get through with my clients. But working one-to-one, although it's a program for 3 months, depending on the business and the business owner and what's going on for them, I like to work with them. Sometimes that can take a little bit longer, and that's okay. So what are the short-term, medium-term, long-term goals are for your business? And consider that. So let's go to the slide. So identify one action you can take for each horizon. For example, to drive immediate revenue now in my business, it's to focus on the one-to-one client program, group coaching program I have now. Projects will deliver over the next 12 months, 6 to 12 months. I'm having conversations about that now with local chambers about that. And the longer term innovations is of my profile with public speaking, so that I may be able to attract audiences outside of my hometown from other areas to diversify my client base, but not only for myself, that's for my clients as well, because one part of my offering is online masterminds, and the greater diversity in the room of a mastermind, it develops a much more rich experience. So that's what I want to do for my clients. It's not just interesting for me, but it would be really of high value for my clients and would give me a really big point of difference. So what are these things for you? Let me just see your face, or you see my face. So what are these things? The short-term, medium and long-term goals in your business. Map it out, the big ideas in these 3 horizons, and then you can refer to later as you progress on your timelines. So that's step 10. We did it. We've got through the 10 steps. So congratulations. I'm thrilled. What I'd love you to consider is to really cement this down and to work at a deeper level. I've condensed this content of the 10 steps into the top 5 principles to move you into action and to experience success. And that's through my online course called a Fast Track Success Challenge. Now, because you've worked through 10 steps and you're still here with me, I'm offering you a really juicy special price for this course, because I really want to work with you and I really want to see you take really deep, meaningful action. And this course just helps you cement everything you've got here, and it includes a meditation. So if you were struggling with defining your purpose and deciding what your goals were, that will really draw that out of you. It's an audio of me walking you through that meditation. That fast tracks you to increase your success immediately. So it's a timed over 5 days, but it's self-paced. So you can either do it all in the same day, or you can take it over the 5 days or longer, whatever suits you, whatever meets your needs. But I'd love to see you there. It's interactive. If you leave a comment in the course, I will respond, and I'd love you to consider that. So jump over to my website. I'll just walk you through it. So this is my website, and working with me, you just click on there and scroll down to online courses. So we just go down. Here we go. Fast Track Success Challenge, and there it is. But what I'll do is I'll leave a link for a special price just for you. If I can get to the right screen, see my face. So I'll send you a special link and follow up with an email, because I'd love you to continue the journey with me and fast track you to the success you want, to the next level success. So thanks for being here. Thanks for joining me. Love to hear your comments, and I'll see you over on the online course.